Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Ford Raptor. And we've just installed this RetraxPRO XR bed cover. So it's a retractable bed cover, Pro model signifying that it's the aluminum version, and the XR meaning that it is the XR rail system. So on the ends right there by my hand, you can see there's a track, and that track allows you to add different types of rack systems. So whereas a lot of bed covers don't work well with racks, this one does give you the option to add racks and maintain your bed cover. So this is a manual operated cover. There's a power version available as well for a little bit more. Here you can see where we had to drill holes into these covers to run our drain tubes. The canister takes up roughly 12 inches by 12 inches, so there's a compromise there, but when it's open, there's nothing obstructing the rear window. So a really great system to keep your items dry in the truck bed and secure, keeping the elements out. And again, a great system that works well with lots of different rack systems. So even if you don't think you might need a rack, spending a little bit extra to help you get set up for it might be well worth it in the long run. So this has just been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.